Hello everyone. Today also market as expected has drifted. We made a low of 16,800 with 800 850 zone, which was our targets, and we bounced back right from that level. And on the 15-minute chart, as I say, 15 minutes first candle is very important. So this was the first candle on 15-minute chart, and we never took out the lows. We went higher and then we kept rallying higher. Similarly, yesterday also we gap down, removed the high, and kept rallying higher. So first 15 minutes was always important. Even on daily, we are achieving targets 16, 800, 850, whatever target was, has got achieved. But intraday trading is difficult because being on the short side, if there is a high taken out, it's very difficult to sell. And currently we're not in a buyer zone, so intraday trading has been challenging, but at least we know that we are on the right side by waiting for the market to close below the low. So that was for, today's view and what happened today and how could we have traded. And on overall basis, like for tomorrow, uh, so we'll just move to daily chart first. So what we see in the Nifty right now is we did three dips. So this was the first dip, and we stopped around the 16,800 850 level. This was a rise and then again a dip. Again we stopped around 16,800 850 level. Again a rise and again we are stopping near 16,800 850 level, bouncing back. So now this level becomes very important because there are three lows at the same point. Now if we remove this low, the movement is going to be very fast on the downside. 16,400 being the first target and 15,900 being the final target probably. But that's going to be very quick movement. So this low now is very important. And on the upside, around removing at least yesterday's high, that is 17,351, 17,350, 360 zone, and the even the resistance line, if we draw a trend line here, will come to the same point. That will now act as a resistance zone. So once that is taken out, probably we cannot be all out on the buy side, but at least we know that the bulls are back in action, and then probably we can wait for a day and then decide how to trade. But removing on closing basis 17,350 will get bulls back in action. So currently the range would be 16,800 on the downside, 17,350 on the upside, and any rally to 17,350 can be used to sell into, or a break below 1600 can be used to sell into. For tomorrow, again, if there's a gap up, gap down, wait for the first 15 minutes candle, see how it's behaving. If the low is taken out, you can sell. If your high is taken out, stay away from the market. If avoid buying right now. Uh, Similarly, if you just gap up above 17,350, the same strategy, you have to wait for 15 minutes and see if the high is taken out. We can then think about buying for intraday, but only on a very big gap up. That looks difficult right now, but you never know. And on the downside, again, if we go flat, if you open flat, remove the low of 1600, we can go short. And if you open flat, go higher, we still need to remove the 17,350 level on the top, then only look for long. So even if you open flat and go higher also, I think it's prudent to wait for a day to take any new positions. So yeah, that would be the view for tomorrow. And for short term also, 16,800 will now act as a very important support. If that's breaking out, we can go positionally short for 16,400 and 15,900 as our next targets. So hope you have a good trading day tomorrow as well, and a trading week ahead. Thank you.